Hi guys, welcome back. I recently got a smartphone from my client and had a damaged screen. This is an oppo a31, so I'm gonna show you how to replace this screen step by step. Here are the outlines. The first thing is to open the phone. I quickly remove the back cover, followed by the top part to expose the motherboard. I then use the screwdriver to open the downer screws. The downer screws hold a plastic that covers the flex. After removing it, and now the flex is exposed. The reason for opening the downer part is because some screens contain a fiber that connects to the flex. Now let's jump to number 2. Number 2 is to remove the old damaged screen. This one was easy. I just used a tweezer to pull it out from the titanium board. Number 3 is to clean the titanium board. I used a tweezer to remove all the remaining residues. For the remaining particles, I used benzene and a brush to clean all the remaining stuffs. The cleaning process should be thoroughly done to ensure that the new screen fits well. Number 4 is to put a new screen. I applied some glue onto the screen. Now wait, some people just apply to the board, but the glue can look very messy. Instead, you should just apply it on a screen. After that, I placed the new screen onto the titanium board. I then connected its main fiber onto the motherboard. Now the final part is closing the phone, number 5. Then I placed a plastic that covers the motherboard and placed back all its screws. I used a screwdriver to tie them all. I placed back the battery and pinned its fiber onto the motherboard. Now putting the upper plastic should be the last part. I tied all the screws using a screwdriver. After everything is done, I placed back the back cover and then the line slot. I then tied some rubber bands around the phone. This was to make sure that the glue gets enough time so that it sticks the screen onto the titanium board. Rubber bands should be left onto the phone for around 30 minutes. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.